Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Expedia not processing payment. Expedia typically processes payments smoothly for bookings. But if you're experiencing issues with payment processing on Expedia, it could be due to a temporary technical issue. So first of all, you need to clear Expedia's site cache. For instance, on Chrome, you simply need to hold down Ctrl, Shift, and Delete key on your keyboard. A pop-up window will open up. Simply select All Time in the box next to Time Range. Then checkmark these boxes and tap on Clear Data. Once you're done with it, relaunch your browser and check if it fixes the Expedia not processing payment issue. But if it doesn't, then you need to contact customer support officials. Simply open up Expedia's official website. And then from the home screen, you need to tap on the support option right here at the top. Once you're on this screen, you need to tap on this chat icon in the bottom right corner. Once you tap on it, a chat screen will come up. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, and they'll connect you with Expedia's customer support officials. Once you're connected, briefly explain your issue to the Expedia's customer care representative. You can type something along the lines of, "Hi, as a regular user of Expedia, I've always found your platform to be reliable. However, during my recent attempt to make a payment for a booking, I encountered repeated errors. Despite entering my payment details correctly, the payment is not processing and I am unable to complete the transaction. Please help me resolve this payment processing issue as soon as possible." Hopefully, Expedia's customer support official will help you fix the Expedia not processing payment issue. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.